Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about whether minors can open a BluPeak account with a parent or guardian. The simple answer is yes, minors can open an account at BluPeak Credit Union. This is because BluPeak offers a youth savings account specifically designed for younger savers. To open this type of account, a parent or legal guardian must be a joint owner. The process is straightforward. A parent or guardian needs to open the account with the minor. You'll need to provide the minor's tax identification number, and the adult must also be a joint owner on the account. The minimum opening balance for a youth savings account is $25. You can open one by visiting a branch or by requesting a secure document process through the mail. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.